Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we got this Vivo Y21 and it's locked by FRP. So if you want to bypass this phone's FRP on latest security, so this video is for you. So guys, first of all, enable the talkback. Once it's enabled, draw a reverse L on your screen and just allow this one to record audio. Double tap on it if the talkback is enabled, and there tap on use commands. Now say OK Google or Google Assistant. Then you see the Google Assistant. From here type open YouTube. Let me just disable the talkback now, we don't need it anymore. Simply disable it. So that's how you can turn it off. Now type open YouTube and just tap here and it will open the YouTube app for you. Now guys, from here you have to tap on this profile icon, go to settings, go to about and just click on YouTube terms of service, and there you're gonna see the Chrome browser. Once you're there, search for headroom. Tap on first link. And guys, from here tap on open settings and it will open your phone settings. So now once you're in settings, just go to accessibility, go to easy touch and enable it. And guys, from here go to customize menu and add the easy share. Once done, now you have to open easy share from here. Let me just show you. Simply tap here and you're gonna see the easy share app. So guys, now you need another phone to transfer some files in this one. So you need another phone and you have to download the EasyShare app and quick shortcut maker app in that other phone. So guys, this is the quick shortcut maker. Let me just show you first. You see this one, this yellow app, you have to download it. You can download it from the Headroom website too. Download and install it in your other device and open EasyShare on your second phone. And now from there you have to connect both phones with EasyShare and transfer this app into your locked phone. I don't have any third device to record all this, so I'm using screen recordings, which will not be clear for you, but I hope you will understand what's happening. So you have to transfer quick shortcut maker in this phone and simply open it from there. And guys, now here you can search for factory reset or factory settings, or you can simply find it here. Sorry, it's factory test. And once you open the menu, just click on the third option, engineering test, and tap on try. Once you're there, go to third row and from there tap on back to home and tap on initialize to English. And that's it guys, your phone will be bypassed after this. So guys, there you can see. Thanks for watching. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.